How to fix Telegram only send message to mutual contact issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. If your Telegram only allows you to send messages to mutual contacts, this is what you do. So this happens due to your privacy settings on the recipient's end. To fix this, the recipient needs to adjust the privacy settings to allow messages from non-mutual contacts. To do that, what you can do is head over to your settings on the bottom right corner, and after that, head over to privacy and security. There, what they can do is they will see the option where they can send messages. So tap on this messages option and just make them select everybody. What this does is everybody will be able to text them, which means that you will be able to text them. Now, that's one way of doing it. Alternatively, you can add the recipient's number to your phone's contact and then initiate the chat. And that's the only way you can fix this issue, guys. And yeah, that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.